Good morning, my Phillies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, it's Victoria. Nice to meet you. I am all bundled up because here in Pennsylvania on the Pittsburgh side, we're getting a shit ton of snow. Okay, so thank God for SUVs. I'm just saying. Okay, so I got my Boxy Premium box. Let's go ahead and open. Ooh, my. Open and kind of keeping up with the theme for the new year. We have the So Fresh and So Clean. Makes me think of that Outcast song. I'm showing my age. Oh my God. Okay, so we have 6 items here. Just grab one. So we have Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb by Uwama Beauty. This is $19.50. Hourglass shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume while nourishing formula, moisturizes and promotes lash growth. Well, I could let's put on a coat of mascara. You know, that can't be completely awful, right? Just need to grab a mirror. Let's see. Hope all you guys are staying warm, and those that don't have snow, y'all suck. I mean, I love the snow. I don't mind it. I just have a problem with some other drivers that drive in the snow that drive like they've never seen it. So I was getting off in the exit. There was a Ford Escape that was literally doing 41 miles an hour. No flashes on, nothing. So just say, be mindful. All right, so I already had a coat of mascara on. The wand almost reminds me of the Better Than Sex from Too Faced, but the difference there or here is that I can literally feel the brush like grabbing my lashes. So like I get more comb. Do you see that? Let's do the bottom since there's no mascara on the bottom. Yeah, I still get that effect with the lower lashes. And y'all know I'm a mascara whore. I love my mascara. Just saying. This is really nice. The formula does grab. Even then, again, I have a coat of mascara on. It glides and pulls your lashes for a lifting effect. I can see the reason for the hourglass. So really, like, I like it. And it promotes lash growth. Girl, bye. So with the lash serum that I received from, you know, the base box and this, we're gonna have to check that out. Okay, so next here, I have, this is Hyde Premium Foundation, liquid foundation, matte foundation that builds to medium full coverage, custom oil-free formula. Resists sweat and won't clog your pores. So that's I'm in the color walnut. I don't know about you. I won't even swatch this if it doesn't look right. I mean, oh, it's hard to tell. Okay. Yeah. Oh no. So needless to say, this is gonna go in a giveaway. But $19.50. Oh wait, no, lied. I lied. $30. Okay, so this will go into a giveaway. Besides, I don't wear foundation or any face product unless it's like a competition or photo shoot of some sort, and I don't do medium to full coverage. It's too much for my skin. So get brand new. Y'all saw me unwrap it. Okay, that goes. Here we have Volition Beauty Strawberry C Brightening Serum. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, helps with fine lines, helps to plump up the skin, help with like collagen type, oh not collagen, hydration. Okay, so this is $42. I like the Lush Beauty. They have some really cool stuff. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And it almost looks like, you can't really see it. I'm trying to capture it on video, but you can see like little speckles in there of like the ground up strawberry, because it says that it's made with 20% strawberry. Well, it's strawberry derived vitamin C. Ah, that smells good. It's like Glow Recipes watermelon serum. One drop. I do have serum on, but it goes on real smooth, just like a gel type serum would. Oh my God, it smells divine. And just that one drop did this half of my face, so that's pretty awesome. So if y'all notice any type of profound effects while this video is still going, comment down below. Okay. Next up, we have Item Beauty Lucky Lime Gel Crayon. This is, who's it by? Who's it by? Oh, there it goes. By Addison Rae. Okay, waterproof gel eyeliner pencil. Smudge proof, sweat, and waterproof. It's $14. This is in brown. I'm just gonna open it up. I'm not gonna swatch it because you all don't understand. I have a shit ton of eyeliner and a shit ton of lip liner, lipsticks, you name it. Now trying to open this without having to like open it, it's kind of a pain in the butt. Don't judge me while I struggle. Okay, we're gonna have to open it. It's really cool because you have like this tab to pull that I filled miserably. Oh, it's pretty. So it's like this blue iridescent packaging and this brown. That's what that looks like. Okay, like I said, I don't want to swatch it. So go in a giveaway. Y'all saw me open it. I'll give you the torn up box even. So there that goes. Ooh, got Huda Beauty. This is the liquid matte lipstick. Weightless formula, easy to apply. Color payoff for 8 hours. This is $21. I have it in the color Alluring. Y'all know about me and my reds, so I'll pull this out. You know what? Honestly, I don't think I've tried any Huda like liquid lipstick. It's pretty kind of cool. All right, just because I love my reds. Oh, this is like a bright hooker red. It's like orange. I'm afraid. It smells delicious, but this is like electric red, almost like an orange red. I want to say it's like an orange red, and the color does go on kind of streaky a little bit. And I'm using a really light hand, so be mindful of it. I don't know if it's just the color or what, because like different pigments, thickness of like the formula and stuff. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I tried to smooth it out as best as I could. I mean, it is a beautiful color. Is it me? I feel like I belong in Miami or something. Miami sound machine. I don't even know. Anyways, last but not least, I have Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette. This is $28. 6 warm, buttery shades, rosy hues. That's what the back of the package looks like. I can open it. Okay, As usual, Dominique has some really cool packaging. I love it. Oh, honey, that's so pretty. These are really, really gorgeous. So you have like the mattes, you have the shimmer, you know, you have more of the glitter here. I have to touch this glitter. It's like a gel or something whenever you touch this Eternal. And it's straight up glitter. But like it just goes on so smooth. And there's only very little left on my fingers. And just look at that. Okay, we have to swatch. All right, so I'm going into Love and Light and Soul. So this is Love and Light. This is Soul. Oh, this is so pretty. And then we're gonna go to Corazon, Warm Hearted, and Jaden. Okay, so Corazon, Warm Hearted, and Jaden. Ah, this would be so pretty. It's a shame that I have some makeup on because I'd be sporting that. But, all right, so I have 2 goodies for you for the giveaway. I have the Sculpt Lift Bar, 24 karat gold. This retails for over $100 some. I believe the last time that I motherfucked it, I think it was like $125, $115, $125. So you have this, it vibrates, it helps move lymphatic fluids out of the, you know, out of the tissues in your face. It helps to move product through the skin. It comes with this, you know, the little baggie and everything. It helps to relax some of the facial muscles. It does a lot of stuff. So here's that. And then I have the Herbivore Cloud Jelly. This is a plumping hydration serum. So wash your face, tone, essence, serum, bar. Okay. So this will start as soon as this video is posted and will end on January 31st at 7 p.m. And as usual, I will do, you know, like the video, the screen recording and everything with the random comment generator. So what you need to do is comment down below what your New Year's resolution is. And do you intend to stick with it? Like what makes this time different if this was the same from previous years? And I want some emojis that kind of go along with your New Year's resolutions. Does that make sense? Winner will be picked January 31st at 2000 hours. This is open for US residents only. Okay, so I look forward to reading your comments and have an awesome day today. All right, bye guys.